Last question here. The question is stating how many grams. So right off the bat, I like to stop and just identify what we're doing here. How many grams? So we're looking for grams, we're not looking for moles, and we're not looking for liters, and we're not looking for molarity. But if you recall from a few slides ago, moles and grams are linked together. So let's continue right here. How many grams of NaCl is needed to make a 3 molar solution in 150 milliliters of water? Alright, dudes, so what we're looking at here, we have a 3 molar solution that is going to be 0.150 liters. So I'll just scratch that out and go 0.150 liters. And it's the same problem essentially as the very last one, where we're first going to have to solve for moles. And once we have moles calculated, we're going to need to convert to grams from moles. So this problem has an additional step that the last problem did not have. Kind of important for us is we're going to need to know the molar mass, or the atomic mass, of NaCl, which is 58.5 grams in 1 mole. So we're going to need to use that later on. So let's rearrange the problem same as we did last time. What you saw from last time was that the molarity multiplied by the liters is going to equal the moles. And so we're just going to plug the numbers in now. The molarity was 3 molar. The volume in liters was 0.150. And when I crunch the numbers, I end up with 0.45 moles. Sorry about those straight lines. Somehow it's doing that. Of NaCl. Now that's awesome. We're almost there, dudes. The question is asking us specifically for grams, not moles. So we're going to take the last step, and now our new given is going to be 0.45 moles, and I'm going to convert that into grams. Now we saw a second ago that there's 58.5 grams in 1 mole. And so we're going to have 58.5 grams go on top, and we're going to have 1 mole of NaCl on the bottom. And so we're crunching the numbers here. 0.45 times 58.5 is going to equal 26.3 grams of NaCl. So the question, going back to originally, it said how many grams of NaCl is needed. And so if we're looking to make a 3 molar solution using 0.150 liters of water, how many grams would I need? Well, we first found out that I needed 0.45 moles, but when we convert moles into grams, we find out that it actually means 26.3 grams of NaCl. Alright, dudes, that was 4 molarity problems for you there. Hope it was awesome. Best wishes in your studies. Peace.